Hey guys, Lou here from LT's Custom Woodworks. Welcome to the shop again. The customer had picked their color and it is a stain that they're going with, and they're going with an espresso color. So I'm going to put a coat of espresso on, and then I will follow by a sand and sealer and then 3 coats of pre-cat lacquer. So we are going to start with the process of laying the 1 coat. They might want it darker. I might put a 2nd coat. We'll see what they say, and we'll go from there. So I'm just going to brush a little bit at a time here, and then I will wipe it down with a rag so you get a nice even coat. And bingo bango, we're cooking with bacon bits. This is going to sit for about 24 hours. Usually you only have to wait about 4 hours or so. But I don't do that. I let it sit overnight usually. There's no rush. There is no rush. Finally getting some good weather, stopped raining. That is all good. And that is the outside. It's all stained. I'll flip it over, stand her up. I will catch the inside of this first. This is stained. Benito. I'll take a picture of it, send it to the customer, see what she says. And go from there. If it is approved it the way it is, then I will put a sand and sealer and then apply 3 coats of pre-cat lacquer. If they say no, they want it a bit darker, then I will wait a good 6-7 hours. I'm not going to do it tonight, but I will do it tomorrow and put another coat, and then I will send another pick to them and see what they say, and if they approve, then I'll put the sand and sealer on, 3 coats of pre-cat lacquer, and she's good to go. So we'll take it from there and see what happens. Okay, so the customer wanted a 2nd coat. They wanted to go a little darker. So I am going to apply another coat because that's what they want. Now this is an espresso color, I will put a second coat and that should be good to go. Once this part is done, I will use a sand and sealer. I will spray the sand and sealer on tomorrow, followed by 3 coats of pre-cat lacquer, and I'll do that all at the same time, same day. 15 minutes apart, 20 minutes apart. Of course, the sand and sealer, I will sand it, or lightly, very, very lightly sand it. So it is nice and smooth for the pre-cat lacquer. So this second coat, I'm going to leave it on a little bit longer. So what I'll do is, instead of going halfway and then wiping it, I'm going to do the full piece. And then wipe it down so it soaks in a little bit more. You might hear some noise in the background there. Kids are in the pool. It's a nice hot day today. I guess during this COVID time, people that don't have pools or hot tubs or anything like that, they're stuck at home. That could be painful. At least we have something that the kids can enjoy, so it makes it easier for the younger ones, which is a good thing. I am going to also spread this on the side here before I wipe, just to get a little further. Then I'll flip it over and do the other side. Bingo bango. I have another one of these to make for a customer. They seen this online and they wanted one for Father's Day. So I'm going to quickly belt that out in the next couple days with all the other ones that I am doing. Okay, so now that I have the sand and sealer on and I sand it, I am going to spray 3 coats of pre-cat lacquer. So I'm going to spray a coat on, wait about 15-20 minutes. I won't even sand in between. I'll just keep spraying 2 or 3 coats and she's all good to go. So I am going to spray that coat right now. Okay, so this got 3 coats of pre-cat lacquer. It was, first coat was a sand and sealer. I waited about 15 minutes. I sanded it down. or wiped it down with a 220 sandpaper. Once I was done that, I blew off all the dust, and then I applied 3 coats of lacquer, and this is the 20% sheen on it. And it's all done. It's ready to go. Customer's picking it up sometime today, and everybody is happy. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.